You know, it's the little things in life. A pimple popping up in the middle of your eyebrows, my ever-growing caffeine addiction, having to use metal straws because humans are quickly killing the planet, you know, the little things. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Eshi, and today I'm just in a mood. It is very cold in Michigan, getting colder every single day, but at least it's a 3-day weekend, so I guess I have that to look forward to. Today I am bringing you a very easy DIY, which is the types of DIYs that I honestly love doing. And you guys can do this very easily in your own homes with your own furniture. You only need a couple supplies, but you do need a little bit of patience and attention to detail. So today I'm gonna show you how I transformed 2 old cane armchairs into 2 completely new and modern looking pieces. Okay, listen, I'm gonna warn you right now, I am painting over wood. So if you're one of those people out there online that like to shame other people for painting furniture and painting over wood, I don't know what to tell you. I'm sorry, but I'm doing it today. So if you don't enjoy that, please click off the video. But if you do enjoy it, definitely click that like button. Tea break. I actually saw a post on Facebook Marketplace saying that there was going to be a garage sale the next day and that it was first come, first serve. And I saw these 2 cane armchairs and I knew that it was gonna be a hit. So I actually showed up at like 9 a.m., 8 a.m. whenever they opened up their garage sale. I had to drive a bit further than I wanted to get them, but I knew that they would be beautiful. So I got there, I was the first person there, and I snagged these 2 beautiful cane armchairs. I also got a dresser at the same time, and if you haven't seen my dresser makeover, I will leave that link right here. It turned out really beautiful as well. And I got the set of armchairs for $45, which I thought was a pretty good price because all of the cane around the back was completely intact and there were no major scratches or dents. The only things I saw really that were wrong with it were that they were definitely out of style. So cane is coming back in for sure, but that color cane just was probably not gonna do it for me. And the cushions for the 2 chairs, they were this velvet material, which that's fine, but they were 2 completely different colors. One was like green and the other one was bright yellow. I didn't know what was going on there, but I knew if I was gonna sell it, I would want to sell it in a set, or if I wanted to keep it for myself, I'd want them to match. So I knew I would have to fix that. And side note, I am still not sure if I'm going to keep these for myself or sell it on Facebook Marketplace. So please let me know your opinion in the comments down below. I would really like to know whether you would keep these for yourself or if you would just sell it and make a profit. Oh, and let me know what price you would sell these for down below as well. I'll let you guys know if I do end up selling it. I'll leave a pinned comment down below so you can check that out too. Before we get into it, if you could do me a huge favor and click that like button, it helps me out so much. And it means the world to me if you would subscribe and come back for more DIY content, more finance, more travel videos. That would be amazing, and I would really appreciate your support. First step is always to clean off your furniture. I mean, those chairs were pretty filthy. I have a feeling they were sitting out in that garage for a long time. Very dusty, very disgusting. So do your best to clean every crack, every crevice, especially all the areas that you're going to be painting. You're going to need some cleaning solution, so you can use TSP in a liquid form that you can mix in with some water and use that to clean the furniture. There's other degreasers and furniture cleaners that you can use out there, so anything will work. You'll definitely need like a cleaning sponge. I actually used a toothbrush to get in between all of the cane, so you can definitely use that. After all the furniture has completely dried, what I went ahead and did was I started taping off along the edges of where the cane piece was. I feel like you could really do this either way. Honestly, you could paint the cane first, or you could paint the wood first. I chose to do the cane, so I went in with my frog tape and I started taping off all of the areas around the cane. I wanted this to be as simple as possible, so I didn't even use primer. I just went straight in with paint. So what you're gonna need is white chalk paint. I used the very standard chalk paint from Behr. You can get them at Home Depot. And the color I used for the white cane is aged beige. So it was slightly more yellow beige than a true white. I ended up doing 3 full coats with that white chalk paint and my tapered paintbrush. So enjoy a sped up version of that. After those 3 full coats, I had the satisfying job of taking off the frog tape. It's always my favorite part. And then I just went in with my black chalk paint and I did about 2 to 3 coats of that just to get a full good coverage. I used Americana Decor and it was in the color Carbon. I think I got it off of Amazon, but there's plenty of options at like Home Depot's, Lowe's for any black chalk paint. Again, enjoy a sped up version of that because it definitely took me longer than what this montage will be. And you're also going to need a top coat specifically for the black parts of the furniture, so like the wood that you're painting. I had some crystal clear lacquer left over from another project from Watco, again at Home Depot, so I used that as my top coat for all of the black parts of the furniture. You can also use a chalk top coat for the cane parts of your furniture. Honestly, I was just a little too lazy to do a top coat all over the cane. But if you feel like it's necessary, go for it. More power to you. So then comes the issue of the ugly, bright, mismatched cushions. So listen, I'm not a sewer, so I was not about to sew completely new covers for these cushions. At first, I was wondering if there would be any like Amazon cushions that I could just purchase, but this shape was so weird that I was not having any luck with that. I could have also found a tailor that could make the cushions for me, but I wasn't having any luck with that either. So what I ended up doing, and what I'm not gonna show you because honestly, I did the best that I could, but I wouldn't really want to teach you about how I did this. But I ended up using fabric glue. I used fabric glue and white linen, and I put that white linen all over the cushions, and I glued it all together as best as I could with as many clean lines as possible. I made it work. But I am a little ashamed of it, so I'm not going to show you that today. I know fabric glue may not be the best, most long-lasting option for putting a cushion together, but if you plan on having this in your own house anyway, I feel like it'll be fine. Either way, I am pretty proud of my work, and honestly, it is a very simple DIY that you can definitely do for your own home. Anyway, let me know what you guys think of my hopefully easy and simple enough for you guys to try DIY. Please leave a comment down below and let me know. And if you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe, because I will have plenty of more DIYs for you coming up this year. And you know what? Cheers to a 2022 filled with DIYs that will save you money and make your house look beautiful. I will see you guys on my next video.